In the previous video, we added a text area form control to our form component. So in this video, let us add a select form control to our form component. So let us go right inside our JSX and add a select form tag. So right here, let us define another div element with the class of field. And right inside here, let us first add the label for our select control. So profession, and say select profession. And now let us define a select form control and set the name property to profession and ID to profession. Let us specify them on separate lines like this. Let us add a class name of browser default, which is a materialized class. So I'm using the class name of browser default because in materialized the select form controls doesn't work well with React. So we need to add this class of browser-default. And let us add an onChange handler and also value attribute. So onChange handle change and the value attribute. So let us write this here. So value form data dot profession. So now let us go right above and set up a new key of profession in our form state. So profession, set that to an empty string. So now let us go right below and add some options to our select form control. So first let us add a default option. Choose your option, and then we will add some validation to ensure that the user selects one option. Then let us add an option and the value of software engineer. Let us copy this and paste it down below and change this to blockchain developer. Let us add two more options. So option lawyer. Let us add one more. Option doctor. So now let us go right above to our handle form submission handler to add the validation for our select form control. So first let us destructure the profession key from our form data, and if the user doesn't select any profession from our list of options, then let us set up an error, no profession selected. And once our forms get successfully submitted, let us set the profession key to its initial value of empty quotes, and let us head over to the browser to see if this works or not. So let us fill this form. So the nerdydev at gmail.com, enter some password. This is a React component, and let us select a profession. So let us first go with choose your option and try to register. You can see it says no profession selected. Let us select a valid option, so software engineer, and let us click on register. So now you can see we are getting our form object. So now one more control is now down. Let us move forward to check boxes in the next video.